We're back! We're back! So day 7. I'm trying to get to the Barber Motorcycle Museum. And I believe... Oh, I see the sign down there. Pretty exciting. Yeah. Close my visor. You know, I don't mind talking. Well, it's pretty cool. I talked to... I talked to a guy, he works for Yamaha. He's going to be at the facility today. And then there's always somebody who wants to tell you a story about something, that probably doesn't ride, but some crazy story. And, this guy was nice enough, but he's telling me some story about a gold wing on Tail of the Dragon, slaying everybody. So, anywho. Here it's at, man. Yeah. Almost as cool as going to Laguna. Almost. Except the roads are in way better shape. But I'm not all gear all the time today. I have my jacket, gloves on, a helmet, but I just wore jeans. I know that's a terrible thing to do, but I just had to shoot up the road here. But I know they tell you most accidents happen closest to home, and I'll tell you what, I used to ride in jeans for a long time. And now it's almost, I feel like naked right now. Like if I had an accident in jeans, like there's just no padding anywhere. Hell, even my Kevlar pants, Kevlar line pants, they feel heavier than this. I got knee pads in them. And there's no hip padding, but still they feel bulkier. So again, I don't know. Wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm so excited. This will almost be, I bet you this will be a little bit more fun than doing laundry later. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. I might have to stop and take a picture of my bike here. There you go. I'm taking on this to save time because I want to see bikes. Fuck it. I'll take one with the camera. Yeah, that'd be awesome. My wife will be happy. A picture with me in it. Yeah.
Where'd you come from?
California.
Awesome.
What's that? All right. All right, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
What do you ride?
I ride a CBR 954 with a broken chain right now.
Ah, nice, nice. Ride red. All right, have fun. Be safe. Thanks again. No, that's where I'm going right now. This is my day off. I've been riding about 500 miles a day, so this is the day my butt gets a rest and I get to go to the museum. Yeah, I'll probably be there till it closes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's cool. Yeah. All right, thanks. Nice person just took my photo. So sweet. Alrighty. And we go back and back. Oh. That'd be awesome. All right, here we are. Oh, the holy grail of museums. Woo-hoo. Peace out. Alright, so here's the holy grail for me. Here's a 500 Interceptor from 86. A 1000 Interceptor, which apparently is their first bike that they got for the museum. And then a 750 Interceptor. These are the first, second, and third bikes that they got at the museum. So, pretty killer. I love red, white, and blue Hondas. I love all Hondas. This one's even got the dually headlights in it. Which they phased out after a while. I'll film a few more super cool things. Alright, some more awesome Hondas. BFR 400R from 90. That's a CD 1100R. And the holy grail over there is a Honda RC30. Pretty sweet. so you can get an idea how big this place is. I think I'm on like floor 2, 3, and it is freaking huge. We're back. So, yeah, I learned something. Well, first of all, this museum's freaking awesome. That's number one. Second thing I realized is some people ride a lot further than I do. These guys are from Peru over here. And the third thing I realized is these guys have a treat light seat this guy has, and that guy has an Airhawk seat, and I think that's what I am going to try to get. Hell, if those guys are using it, it's got to be a good thing, right? So yeah, dude, I cannot say enough about this museum. Freaking awesome. You know, I really didn't have any place to go on this trip except here, and wind up in Pittsburgh, and this is by far the highlight so far. And yeah, took a ton of pictures in there. I'll probably post them, mostly of Hondas, some Kawasaki's for Kyle Rogers as well. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. You gotta if you love motorcycles, you gotta come check this place out. I mean, by far, it is the place to go. So now it's off to get a little bit of food, some BBQ. I'll probably get some gas as well. This facility, I'll tell you, is probably I don't go to a lot of tracks, but this is by far the nicest facility I've ever been to. Maybe I'll do a lap around here real quick and see what's around here. Give you a lay of the land on the film. My ass still hurts. Here's the track over here. If you come here too, if you're into bikes, spend the $15. Take the tour. It gives you better access to places. I'm usually a tightwad, but you know, hell, come all the way here from California. I might as well spend a few more dollars. You know, let you get into the basement, see some stuff that other people don't get to see. You know, the tour guide is pretty good. He's definitely, the guy I had was a car guy, but I'm just gonna run up here just so I can take a picture of this place. That's pretty cool, man. Gonna guess this is the way out. I could be going the wrong way, but it doesn't say shit, so we'll see what I say. Maybe I'm going the wrong way. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. And that's about all you can see. And no comments on my crappy U-turns. I can take pretty tight U-turns if I need to, but if I'm lazy, I'll take all the space they'll give me. That's for sure. So funny how bad this the Grand Prix of Alabama is next. Yeah, if you live here, man, too close, it seems like it's an awesome deal if you join the museum. You know, it's like for a couple, it's $170. I know that seems kind of pricey, but you know, you get into the museum free. I think you get the tours for free. You get in for races for free. You get free food. You get access to areas that only members get to, and it's pretty cool. Like, it's pretty much like a nice almost like an arboretum, the way they have the place landscaped, and the bridges that go over the track aren't all boarded off like most tracks because they don't want people stopping like to stand on them. This one is cool. It's got glass plated floor in spots so you can look down and see the cars or the bikes whipping past. It's a little eerie standing on them, but yeah, it was pretty fucking cool, that's for sure. So I'm gonna get some petrol. I'm gonna get some BBQ. Hopefully I can find a place to get some beers for the hotel room, so I can do some laundry. Get petrol as well. I'll get some shade here. Sorry, I'm in a senior moment here, and I'm not a senior. All right, peace out. And we're back. So, yeah, I figured I'd waste some memory today. So, first thing is, I got this, so maybe somebody will care. I got this duct tape on here that, prevents my handles hopefully from getting all scratched from my dry bag. First things first. Filling up the tank has not provided to be the issue I thought it would be. These fucking Velcro on built gloves is providing to be an issue. It's a gun and bike this dude has. And where he's from. No license plate, so he must just be riding his track bike up the road to fuel up. Ah, there's the coveted subway that I'm gonna pass up. Did not do a great job strapping my helmet. I left the tail flopping in the breeze. And it's bothering the piss out of me, so I'm gonna pull over and fix it. And it's too fucking tight too. So. I'm a princess. Okay, that feels much better. Here come some vehicles, fast moving, and away we go. Hope this barbecue place is good, or at least good enough. Half mile on right. I better start driving. This must be the main town of Leeds up here. Leeds, Mrs. Leeds, she was the Jersey Devil's mother. If you're from Jersey, you know the Jersey Devil story. I'm hoping there's a liquor store somewhere here too. There's a Coin Laundry, D&D Food Mart. Okay. I'll just call out everything I see. Leeds Worship Center, Faith Cruise, Affordable Insurance, another worship center, not to be confused with the Faith Center. And there's Old Smoky Barbecue. I guess that was it. But this, who knows? Sometimes I put shit in the GPS wrong. But I'll go back there if I fucked up and put the directions in wrong, which I've been known to do before. I haven't put my plugs in, so I am fucking. It's really a lot different. My voice isn't as soothing without the earplugs in. Alright, so we can see what's in the Leeds Commons here too. Sears Hometown Bargain Center. Come on, Daylight Donuts. Alright, I might see if we got some beer here somewhere. Please have there be beer someplace. And it looks like I was correct before, and the barbecue place was back, and I already passed it. The Wing Cafe, Parker's Drugs, Jack's. I don't know, is that like Jack in the Box, but Jack's? What does this say? Food Giant? I'm going to go into town a little bit first, and if not, I'm going to check out. I need to get some more Band-Aids for my poison ivy feet. I need to stop for this fuck who just decided to cut in front of me. And yeah, and I'll go back to the barbecue place. So I'm gonna guess this is the end of town, so I'm gonna take a left here and turn around and go back. Some beverage. Oh, packaged good. Go up there first. Maybe they'll have better beer. I don't have to drink anymore. Bullshit. Fucking sorry if you're a Budweiser fan. Be at my best behavior. I saw the police there. Terry's. Looks like a happening spot where all the drunks go. So, yeah, it looks like it. We'll see what they got. Looks like I might get stabbed here, but hopefully not. Plus, if I do right now, the cop will probably see. So, anyway, alright. Wish me luck. Successful mission. Peace out. And we're back. So, good news is I got good beer. Guess that's it. Tomorrow's a little crazy, but seemed cool enough, man, you know. Take a picture to remember it. Alright, with that, I gots to go. Alright. I think I got a reasonable bill. Alright, here. It's an early night. Yep. It's hot. It's getting hot in here. It's pretty warm today. I'm probably the only person I saw today on the streets riding a bike wearing a jacket. But like I said, I'm not wearing my pants today. Wave to this brother. Got the wave back. Speed limit's 25 and I saw a cop. Probably shouldn't go through it. 30. I think I am going to go to this grocery store here or CVS and get a few things. Powder. And Band-Aids. Powder and Band-Aids. Two great combinations. I'm not going to park on a corner island because that'll probably just get me in trouble. Being out of state. Alright. Another riveting film segment. Result. And we're back. So I just ate some awesome fucking barbecue and a piece of pie afterwards, and it was freaking awesome. And I should probably keep track of what the speed limit is. It is 35 and I was going 40. Don't want to have my awesome barbecue get ruined by a not so awesome ticket. So yep. So yeah, great day today. Not much riding, lots of motorcycles though, and gonna be doing some laundry. Big excitement. Mrs. Smith's found some motorcycle only campground in Georgia, so I think I'm gonna scope out how to get there a fun way. Unfortunately, I didn't think I was going to be going into Georgia, so I did not bring a map of the great state of Georgia. But I do have the internet, and I'm sure I can figure it out, or just wing it like most of this trip's been. I got some beer too. Excited about that. Looks like good beer. Something local from the state that I've never had before. And yeah, that'll be cool. Try and make doing laundry much more fun. These yields on greens are kind of weird here. there's my home, the Hampton Inn. I have no idea why this Yutz is stopped in the middle of the road. Based on that van before over there, mobile home. And those trucks that just pulled out. Looks like track day at Barber Motorsports is over. Hampton Inn by Hilton. Let's see what kind of bike we got back here. Look like I'm drunk driving. But I haven't even had a beer today. We got a Yami R1, R6. Freshly paved parking lot. This place probably gets a booming business when there's shit happening in town. This guy's got a DRZ and something else. And a Gixxer. And I believe this is my spot. Oh, so full. My OCD gets the best of me when I park. Alright. That be it. So, on the road again tomorrow. Peace out.